Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Robb ointment at home. Robb ointment is used for anti-pain medication, arthritis, back pain, cold sore, pain, and other conditions. Robb ointment can also be used for effective relief of nasal congestions. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of how to make Robb ointment at home. But before then, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Robb ointment can be made from the following materials. These are candle wax, petroleum jelly, paraffin oil, menthol, industrial camphor, methyl salicylate, and color. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed to produce 300 grams of Robb ointment. Candle wax 25 grams, petroleum jelly 250 grams, paraffin oil 125 ml, menthol 2 tablespoons, industrial camphor 1 tablespoon, methyl salicylate 50 ml, and color a pinch. Now let me show you the materials one by one and then we go into the mixing properly. This is candle wax. This is petroleum jelly. This is paraffin oil, and this is color, and this is menthol. This one here is industrial camphor. This is methyl salicylate. Now the first thing you should do is to put your pot on a gentle fire. Now add your petroleum jelly and candle wax into the pot and allow them to melt. Now add your paraffin oil. You can also add your color and stir while the pot is on fire. Now at this moment, you can put off the fire or bring the pot down from the fire. Now you can add the following materials: menthol, industrial camphor, and methyl salicylate. Now stir the content properly and allow it to cool down for a while. After cooling, you can fill your containers and your Robb is ready for use. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can also visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on Facebook page at Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.